This is Hitachi's new DH26PF 3-mode SDS Plus rotary hammer. It features a redesigned air chamber hammering system that we took from our larger hammers. Instead of a single hole to disperse the air, we now have a round cylinder that evenly disperses the air and makes for a much more smooth and consistent hammering motion. It features fastest in-class drilling speed, up to 1.25 over competition. Increased durability through a revised and redesigned air hammering mechanism. We've changed the 3-mode lever to a much larger, easier dial to be able to use with gloves. Larger trigger on the back.